Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. Today we're doing the 5,000 subscriber special giveaway. Well, announcing it. We're going to do the giveaway next week. So, how we're going to do this? Well, very simple. I've got 5 lots here. I figured we'll do 5 winners for 5,000 subscribers. So, sound like a good number to me. So, what we're going to do is I want each of you to comment on this video something about like some place maybe you'd like to see me go to. Maybe you have a special spot you'd like me to go visit. Maybe there's a certain type of rock or mineral you'd like me to find. So if there's a certain type of rock or mineral you'd like me to go try and look for, maybe comment that, or I don't know, anything you really want to. Just comment below about something. And let's do Thursday. Next Thursday evening, I'm going to go through the list, take all the names of the subscribers who have responded on the video, and then I'm going to do a drawing with them next Friday. So next Friday, I'll do a video, and I'll do a live drawing where I'll just have them here, and I'll go through, we'll find the 5 winners, and then the 5 winners, you just email me your address, and I will ship out one of these lots to you. So each lot is going to be basically the same. You're going to have a piece of the Picasso marble, a piece of the Levan black agate, a piece of the Salina Wonderstone, a piece of the agates / chalcedony nodules that I found up at Red Heel last year, some jasper from the San Rafael Swell, some Salina Wonderstone, so both the Vernon and the Salina Wonderstone, and then some Bixbyite on topaz from Jeremy's Claim that I went to a few years ago. So that is what's going to be in each of the lots, these 7 different things that I thought were pretty cool. So I hope you enjoy those. My health is continuing to do well, so I'm excited. So just looking forward, during the month of March, I'm going to try and get out rock hounding at least once. It will be dependent on weather, but I'm going to try and get out in March for the first rock hound of the year. Maybe I'll get lucky and do more than one. And then in April, I want to try and start doing a rock hounding video every week or other week, once again, depending on where my health is and weather. And my goal is by the time May hits, I want to be rock hounding every week, so I've got a video for you guys every week. That's the goal. That's the hope. That's the plan. So far, my health has been going in that direction. So yeah, comment below on where you'd like me to go, what you'd like me to find, or just anything you want to comment. And then we'll do the drawing next week. Everybody who's commented on the video will be entered in the drawing, and we'll have 5 winners. So thank you guys so much for your love and your support, especially through this difficult time. And thank you for helping me reach over 5,000 subscribers. This is great. This is wonderful. Thank you so much. Until next time, remember, there is treasure everywhere.